Greetings, magical creatures, and welcome to the lair of the reclusive dragon.
Hi. This is my first time filming with my camera, so there's just all these elements with every single thing that I'm doing right now that I just feel like I have no clue what I'm doing at all with anything. So my YouTube videos got pushed aside for the sake of other projects that I wanted to finish working on, mostly because I'm trying to become a full-time artist, and I have recently opened an Etsy, and I really wanted to spend more time working on things for that, and then also the holidays, the craziness, lots of other things. It doesn't matter. So while I am currently working on things for my Etsy, things for costuming, things for modeling, trying to get better at sharing my projects, learning how to video edit to not only work on the videos that I've already gotten, but I still want to create more videos, and I really enjoy the filming process of the videos, so that is a factor as well. So I have so many filmed and so few edited. It's gotten really cold out here. Since I've been filming, my nose has started to water and the wind is making my fingertips cold. So for today's video, I thought it would be a good idea to share a little behind the scenes look at me doing a photo shoot at home for my anatomical heart pendant that I just put on my Etsy. The Etsy's new, that's the only thing that's on there right now. I haven't done a good job about promoting it or posting it, so if you've missed it, I'm not surprised. This is life. This is fine. One of my biggest goals this year is to create more of a balance between my different artistic interests. I'm very scattered in everything that I do because I have just so many interests in so many different directions, and there's just not enough time in the day to be able to occupy the amount of space that I need to occupy in each area of my interests. And so this leads me to, as I said before, like changing from project to project very quickly, not finishing projects, usually like so many projects unfinished. So I felt like the best way to bring balance into all of the different artistic aspects that I enjoy is to bring them together as often as I can. And so this year my focus is really going to be on combining as many different elements as I can into one thing. So this video, it helps me to say, hey, this is a new necklace that I have on my Etsy shop. It also helps to say, and it's not going to even show you how I made the necklace, which could be a whole video in itself. I am going to go inside and maybe fix a cup of tea because I'm really cold now, and I just didn't think, mid-January outside on a beautiful gray day, why would I be cold? Alright, so we just finished up. It was really cold and really windy and pretty dark, so I'm not sure if we got anything that's going to be great, but I think we got some things that are going to be usable. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this semi-behind-the-scenes look at this photo shoot, and just in general, thank you for being here. I'm sorry that I haven't put out more videos. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Please talk to me in the comments. YouTube doesn't let you know who your subscribers are, so if you want to let me know in the comments that you're here, that would be awesome. And thank you very much. For those of you who don't know me in real life, my name is Caroline. This is Dragon Heartstring channel. I may change that to Heartstring of Dragon. I would like your thoughts on that. Thank you very much, and bye. Is it snowing? What's this white stuff? You saw the white stuff, right?
Nope.
Oh.